2 years later, and it's finally here. Well, technically, almost 3 years, but I'm gonna say two anyways. Hello, everyone, and what you're looking at here today is my 31-inch Casablanca Wailea and brushed cocoa. I got this fan from Rebuilding Center in August of 2020. It was at the price of $10. It was a great deal, but it did not have all the parts. So when I first got this fan, it was missing the screws and the rubber grommets to the blades. So 2 years later, I ended up buying the rubber grommets for the blades and the screws. So now it's complete. It uses a 172 by 12 millimeter motor with the Homestead 3, 4, and 6 blade pattern. Has a dual capacitor, one for the start and then the other one for the run. And it uses a 4-speed ball chain and it's electrically reversible. So I'll go ahead and show you the close-ups. It's got the included Dark Walnut blades with the wood grain reversible to the non-wood grain side. Has the Hunter Permalock down rod, the 5 series trilobular mount. This is not a recalled mount. It has the Casablanca fob added on. I ordered it with the fan for replacement parts. It's a reverse switch. Yeah. We're going to start off with the 3-blade configuration, and we'll begin the fan with the static low. It's a bugger, despite the fact it's on a wooden beam, and it doesn't have ceiling to amplify the sound. Well, I shouldn't say amplify, absorb all the noise. So I think it's the wooden beam that amplifies it, because it has no ceiling in it. That's about for the 4-speed. Here is the low speed. It has a really big speed difference. So see, you're getting a good airflow, like a decent amount. That's about for low. Here's medium. Putting a good amount of air. And it's pretty fast. That's about for medium. Here's high. Despite the fact this is a small fan, it puts out tons of air on high speed. Very cute little fan, even though it is a bugger. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off and do spin down. The Wailea 5 series model was a transitional model from the Legacy lineup in 2013. This was available in Snow White with Snow White blades, brushed nickel with Dark Walnut blades, and brushed cocoa, as you see here, with Dark Walnut blades, as I mentioned earlier in the video. I'm not going to focus on talking about the Legacy one, as this is about the 5 series model. So go ahead and reverse the fan. I'll go ahead and start off with the aesthetic low. That's about for the aesthetic low. Here's low. That's about for low. Here's medium. That's about for medium. Now here's high. I don't know if it's the bearing noise running dry or something like that. Probably, or something like that. But it does have a bit of a low wobble, but not too bad. That's about for high, and I'll go ahead and shut it off. Thought it was 3-speed for a sec. So it took like 35 seconds for it to spin down. Like 5 off from my Sierra Short and 5 over the Lady Delta. So that's about it for the 3-blade configuration. Now I'll go ahead and show the 4-blade configuration. Alright, now here it is with the 4-blade configuration. I forgot to mention, and I did abandon in the 3-blade configuration video, that this spans from the 20th week of 2019. I should have said it in the 3-blade configuration video, but I didn't even realize. Now we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the fan, starting off with the static low. don't know why this is all not focusing. Here in time, I put it on low. It's about for the static low. Here's low. That's about for low. Here's medium. That's about for medium. Now here's high. It still moves tons of air with 4 blades, but 3 blades actually does move more air than 4 because of the way the blades are spaced out with 3 blades, less motor drag, more efficiency, better airflow too. But 4 blades actually move more air than 6 blades. So 4 and 3 blades actually moves more air than 6. Now I'll go ahead and turn it off. We'll do a spin down. I really do want a Homestead fan so badly, but I never got great luck with Homestead. I almost got a Universal Monterey Nerve Center back in July of 2016, but I unfortunately couldn't get it. So around the same spin down time as my series short. So we'll go ahead and reverse it. Start off with a static low. Camera somehow focuses better in reverse. That's about for static low. Here's low. That's about for low. Here's medium. That's about for me. There's high. Still has the wobble, but it still is a little bugger and a good performance beast. Alright, I'll go ahead and turn it off. We'll do a spin down. I think with 3 blades it does have more wind noise. I don't know why this camera goes off focus. I'm doing spin down or on low speed. I don't know why it does that crap all the time. I do want a new camera, and I want to go for a Canon M50. Because using the phone is quite stupid. I really despise that in every moment. Alright, so that's about it with the 4-blade configuration. Now I'll go ahead and do the 6-blade configuration. Alright, now here it is with the 6-blade configuration. Now we'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan, and I'll start off with the static low. That's about for the static low. Here's low. That's about for low. Here's medium. That's about for medium. Now here's high. With 6 blades, it's still actually moving tons of air. But then again, 4 and the 3 blades actually moves more air than 6. As cool as the 6-blade configuration is. Like I mentioned earlier, less blades have less motor drag, more efficiency, more spacing on the blades, and better airflow. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off. We'll do a spin down. So far, this is my only 6-blade fan in my collection. Despite the fact that it has 3 blade configurations, it's really cool. I really like to have a Legacy Wailea alongside the 5 Series one. And I'd love to find a Capistrano in the Lanai too. They're one of my favorite small little fans. And brushed nickel has been discontinued already, so that's sad. But this fan is still in production nonetheless. We'll go ahead and reverse it and start off with this aesthetic low. That's about for the aesthetic low. Here's low. That's about for a low. Here's medium. The round noise from the shop light, if you can hear it. That's about for medium. Now here's high. Now another reason why I never got a chance to test this is because the wire mold did not accept the newer style mounting bracket. So that's why it had been delayed. I was going to do that in the winter break, but I just mentioned the wire mold did not let me install the mounting bracket. Now I'll go ahead and turn it off. We'll do spin down. Now that my testing rig is user friendly again, it is now on a pancake box. I didn't use the octagon box, so I can get more clearance and head height. I'm really glad I finally got more head height for my testing rig, since the octagon box had a lower clearance, so that's why I changed it out for a pancake box. It was on the wire mold too. So, yeah, that's about it with my 31-inch Casablanca Wailea in brushed cocoa, manufactured in the 20th week of 2019. So, that's about it for the 5 Series model. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.